Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we're going to be playing Legends of Speed. And, hi. So yeah, let's just run around, play Legends of Speed like normal people would. We run around, do the races. Oh, races coming up very soon. Just going to go do this hoop. Nice.
I'm Blaze Runner, but I'm lonely.
Blaze Runner.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to do the race. You do the race as well. Yes.
Yeah, I know what it's
Alright. We'll do every race. 5, 4,
Yeah.
3. I'm gonna like come blast or something. 3. Yep, off you guys.
That's 3. You're faster than me, Mark.
I am very slow. I'm not sure if I'll
Look at
make
me.
it. Oh no! Oh, you should have seen
No.
that. I fell in.
I did
Not fast enough. Alright, let's do a bit of a speed grind. Let's just go full grind for a bit. Mitch?
Yeah.
Let's grind for a bit and we'll speed through this. Let's go full grind. And we'll just fast forward through this area. Alright, yeah.
Oh, level 10. Damn, son. Yeah, guys, we're trying a variety of videos. Huh?
What did you say?
Huh? What?
What did you say?
Nothing.
Oh. I'm not gonna do it.
I am.
I'm just leveling up, grinding.
I'm so slow, but I'm such a rank.
Yeah. Alright, just grinding away.
Yeah, it's pretty boring, to be honest, though.
Yeah, we'll do it. Whoa, I'm getting really fast.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to Mysterious Cave. Oh. Yes. Very good. I remember this place. Whoops. There we go. Right. Here we are, Magma City. Yes. Right, this one here.
Tell us in the comments below if you want us to play more of Legends of Speed.
And tell us which game you want us to play inside Roblox, because we can play any game.
Yeah. Except me, can't play like computer games. You know that.
Any game on Roblox is what I said. Any game on Roblox? Shout out in the comments what you want. And yeah, we'll try to do it next time.
Yeah. Grinding
Literally
it out
every.
to smooth.
I'm in Magma City. I'm just full grinding. You just jump through the hoop 100 times. Every time I go through the hoop, I level up.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is quite easy way to grind. I reckon I can get to level 40 and then it'll have to do like 2 hoops. Oh no.
Of course, there's not those many people doing this race.
Mm-hmm.
3 people. 3, 4 people.
Oh, I'm gonna grind. And then when I come back, I'm just gonna be like, yee!
Yeah, at least I got 2k steps.
I'm at 102k.
I'm level 22, 3 more levels so I can
Aye.
get into... No.
I'm at
Now I
2k,
feel
10 rebirth. What's this?
I don't
8K.
like rebirthing. You're like a rookie.
Yeah, you feel so good and then you just lose all of it.
Just like, yeah.
Whoa, I can jump. Oh, I was stuck in the ground for a second.
Bruh. You guys tell us what videos you want us to do.
What games you want us to play?
I think we might be starting a new YouTube channel. You think, Michael?
Yeah,
Now,
maybe.
Mike,
Yeah.
you wanna?
Quite a different topic, but yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
We're gonna need someone to record though.
Yeah, me and you can do it.
I guess so. But if we wanna do it like a train, someone's gonna...
Yeah, then you just wear the GoPro. You wear the GoPro.
Do you have a GoPro?
Yeah, I have a GoPro.
Oh wait,
I do.
yes you do, yes you
I
do.
have the
Sorry.
chest mount, the bike mount, everything.
But doing that's going to be way harder because we're going to have to edit it. We'll just give it to your dad and he should sort it
No,
out.
I'll do it. That's fun.
Huh?
I gotta do it. Alright. Five rebirths. Honestly,
Well, I'm
the
at
next...
the top of the list.
Really? Let's see.
Yeah.
Wow, M-Star, 265,000. Ooh.
Yeah. That's how I used to grind it back in the day.
Back in the day.
Back in
What,
the
just,
day, there was
what, just do hoops? Just do hoops and hoops.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Alright. I'm gonna do the next race. Next level, level 50.
Nice.
What level are you?
I level 25.
Come on. Okay. Well, I'm on level 49. Oh, yes. Right now I'm so fast. Oh, that's you dude next to me is gonna. Oh, I think I might win. I got second. Nice.
Me third.
Yeah. You jump so high. This game, I love it.
Yeah. You just jump out. I remember when I jumped over the hype and I felt like I was
A god.
just like, yeah.
Oh, what's the rebirth? It's like 75 levels. Hey, you've done 2 rebirths.
Yep.
Yeah, I can jump over the whole Magma City, I think. I'm not sure. I'll try. Level 51, can jump over the whole Magma City. Alright. Oh, it's kind of close. I'd say 10 levels, and then, like, level 60.
I'm going to Mystery Cave.
Jump the whole map.
Are you in Mystery Cave?
Magma Cave. I'm gonna do the race. Whoa! Whoa, I'm stuck in the ground! Why? I was stuck in the ground! I was stuck in the ground! No! Oh. I think I would have gone second in that race. Whoa. Yeah.
I just grind. I didn't even finish the race. I just get good stuff, XP. Because it gives you a lot more. Ah!
Ah! Ooh. Ah! Ah! Through the hoop. Yes, finally. I actually make it through the hoop. Where is this hoop?
Yeah, tell us if you want us to play Piggy. We're thinking about it, but
we're not sure if you guys want us to do it. We're not sure if you guys want us to do it or not, so comment down below if you want us to play Piggy or not. Well,
yeah.
Okay, when I get to probably 200k in speed, I'll see how I go. 1.8 every time, and then it's back to pretty much 25 more hoops, 30 more hoops. Yeah, I can do that. I'm not. I'm gonna grind. Alright. Yeah, some people, if you look at the leaderboard, some people just do hoops and hoops and hoops and hoops and don't stop doing hoops. Like, do you see the dude below me? Lara. He's done like half the stuff I've done, but then no rebirths and pretty much the same amount of hoops.
Yeah.
So that's how you grind. I've only been playing this for about half a week, so it's quite easy to get heaps of points. What are you gonna do? Hold the space key down. Just jump through the hoop 100 times. In my case, another 25 times. I've got an idea. I can do this 2k hoop. Then
I'm in Magma City.
You are? I am. Oh yeah, I saw you.
I got to 1,000 steps though.
Yeah, but you would get 3,000, right?
Yeah. To Electro City, 10 rebirth.
Yeah, I'm not sure if many people get to that stage. Oh, I nearly got through the hoop. Hey. Hoop.
You guys, here's a tip for
grinding, just go through the hoops.
Yeah. In this one, if you do it, you have to just grind normal, keep rebirthing, then you get to one like these hoops with 1,000 steps. You just like, bruh.
You need one rebirth to get to this world. One rebirth and 25 speed.
Really?
Yeah. Because to get to the Snow City you need 25 speed, to get to this one from Snow City you need a rebirth.
I just spent 8k of my jewels.
Did you just buy something with the 8k jewel?
Yep.
Wow, so what did you get?
Rainbow sparks.
Can we trade? Can we trade for like
Yeah.
a trail? Because I
Yeah, okay.
already...
Yeah, okay. Trade.
You offered me.
Trade.
Trade. I just want a trail, so can
Okay.
I trade my yellow butterfly?
It won't let me do a trail. It's just pets.
You gotta go from pets and then below it, it should say trail.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, can I have a pet? I'll do two of my pets for a really good pet. Like a better pet, an epic. These two for an epic.
Can
Give me an
you
epic.
send me? No.
One epic for two pets.
Look at my
Yeah.
look at my epic.
Yeah. You do that green
You sent me a
firecaster.
trade request. You sent.
Okay, I'll decline. And then
one
where's trade?
on the right?
Oh yeah. Trade. Ending. Accept the trade.
Yeah, no.
Okay. These
No,
are
it
the
still
only
doesn't
things.
say trails.
Those are the only things I have.
Oh, I did the green firecaster back.
Oh, your voice is all laggy. Anyway, what's your offer? Come on, give me something. Give me something good. Like two firecasters. Mitchell,
I only have 2 pets.
you do? Well, then you'll have 3 if you give me... Purple Pegasus, yes, and what else?
Just that for green
Yep.
firecaster.
No, that's not worth it. How about that for that? The purple for orange. Except...
I rather purple.
Yeah, I'd rather purple. That's why. Yeah, put your pet in.
I only have 2 pets.
Yeah, we'll put one
Yeah,
in.
for you.
Oh, come on.
What's the bet? Okay, I'll get 2 more K, and then I'll give you an 8k worth jewel.
Hey,
Deal?
how do you gift jewels?
Can't give jewels.
I thought so. The store in this game is so expensive.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm just collect jewels. Can't go first person. First person looks even dope. It's better than controller. Try it.
Really? Not really.
Yeah. Okay, I got 7k jewels. One needs 2 more jewels. I see them, they're right next to each other. Okay, I need 1 more.
Alright, I'm gonna do this phrase.
I'll do it.
Paid like 34 bursters. I'm happy. Looking good. What? What?
Someone's already
cheated.
first?
Yeah, he cheated. He went up this line like before everyone else. I don't know how. He somehow went up the line before everyone else.
Do you want a lava crystal?
Me?
Yeah. It says rare epic trail, advanced trail, unique trail, 1k steps, basic trail.
Where is that?
Yeah, I'll get you this one since you wanna check.
Where is it? Where is that shop? Oh, this one. 8k. Yeah, I really want a trail. Mitch?
3rd trail. Hang on. This is
I
sick.
only have 5.5k. Black is Omega. I've never seen that before.
3 trail.
I wonder what Electricity looks like.
Okay, here, you want a trowel? Trade me.
Okay, trails. Whoops.
I'm doing a
Trade.
race.
Indoor.
I'm doing a race, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna go back to grinding with this thing. I said.
Trade with me?
Yeah. Right.
Hang on.
Why did you decline?
Which one?
Come on, Mitch. Trails.
Say trowels for you.
I just need a trail apart from basic.
It doesn't start.
Next to the pets, it should say trails.
It doesn't.
How about go to your next page?
It just says 1 out of 1.
Oh. That's annoying. Well, can I trade you pets?
Yeah.
Oh, my face. Get up. I'm gonna reset. Oof.
I still YouTube.
Right, well, I think we're gonna end the video there. I got to 200k. What are you on? What are you on, Mitch?
Yeah. I'm
What are you on?
311.
Anyways.
Okay.
Wow. Alright, well, we're gonna end the video there. If you liked the video, smash the like button. Mainly subscribe. Tell your friends about the video, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Bye.